Good afternoon, sir. As you can see here, I designed a simple calculator that I'm going to present or uh, demonstrate to you uh, on what I uh, um, um, do calculator using the Java NetBeans. So here are the the design of the calculator that I've made it. So I will take to you the code that I'm using and how to navigate the calculator on an actual once we uh, run the code. So here, as you can see here, it is a label, which is I label it as a calculator. Here is a text area, which is the number will be displayed once we click each each button here, each button, the number, and each operation button. And then let's go to the source code. So here, once you click here, once you click here, it is just an empty action performed text area, which is we don't need to put some syntax or some operation there, because it is just clear as it is, because uh, the each button will display the number, and the operation will perform there using will display on that area. And there, here on the once we click the button, the 7, let's we click here, the syntax that all we needed is here is the T1, which is the T1 is the text area, or the one who is where is the number button 7 is will being displayed once we click here, when we click that number. So it is just saying this here, same as the other number. We will be using this text, which is T1 that set text, and T1 that get text, which is the set and get text. So once we the set the text, or once we click the button 7, that will be the it means that we set the number 7, and then it will be getting and will be displayed to the T1 or the text area, and the display the number that will be displayed on that particular area is 7, same as the every number that we will be using on the calculations. The 7, the 8, all we need is the set text and the get text, and same as hanggang sa dun sa 0 natin, the 0 hanggang dun sa 0, the 0 number here, all we need is just that. And then on the operation naman, on the different kind of operation here, once we this operation is division. So let's click here, the division. Okay, the division here, as you can see here, the set text is just an empty, and then the operation will be operating, or will be performed, which is division. We will be just on this operation, the division, the sign of division is this. And then once you click that button, it will the two number, or the number that we entered, will be divide, and as same as the multiplication, we just needed the T1 that set text, and then the operator. So here, because we just we just uh, uh, enter the num1, so num1, and then the num1 is num1 is being declared here as I was so excited naman. So here I declare first pala the double, which is the number that we will be entered on the text that we will be displaying on the text area on the calculator. Is we just need the variables double, and then we just all we need is the string for operators, and the double is for the number 1 and number 2, which is at first it is 0 because we didn't just we didn't enter we don't have the initial uh, value, because it is just the user or the user will be entered what the number that they will want to calculate. So here naman in the clear button, just click, just all we need to do in the clear button is just the set text will be empty. It is just empty as we desired, because as the button is named clear, and then the display on the entered number will be cleared. And then for the back naman, uh, for the back uh, for the back is just is this the string or the string text equals get text once we enter the once we enter the number, and so some point of time that we realize that there's wrong with that number we entered. So we on the clear we will be minus, or we will be minus, or it is decrement by 1, because it is just a back, or just a single number will be erased on that particular area on the display area of the text area. So that's it. That is for the back. And then for the operation, for the equal naman, for the equal, all we need is this, the if loop. So if loop is this, the second number, or the num2 is will be here we declare the num2 there, because once we enter the num2, or and then there's no calculating, walang makakalculate kung hindi natin na-enter na yung second number, dahil kung first number lang yung ating mai-encode doon, wala namang makakalculate doon, kaya walang magiging equal. Parang yung kung ano lang in-enter mo, yun din lang yung ma-display doon. Hindi na natin kailangan yung equal. So in equal, we will be using just we also here on the sa equal action perform, we declare the double, the answer equals 0, because we at first it is nothing pa naman, wala pang nakakalculate. So once we enter that the two numbers that we needed, and on operation naman is operation equals to addition, the answer will be num1 plus num2 will be add. And then here on the as same as the other operation, if we want to subtract the num1 minus num1, it will be subtract, and then the operation will multiplication is num1 and num2 will be multiply, and then in the division, it will num1 and num2 will be divide. And then at the end, once we once we tap the button, the two button, the rather the equal button, the answer will be displayed. So that's it. I think that's all we have here, just here in the bottom of the code, it is just the button that we do their name, just it, that's it, the button, J button. That's it. I think that's it, uh, the code that we needed. And let's try to navigate each button on our created calculator. Just let's uh, um, run it. So here it is the actual. Let's run it. Here's the actual calculator. Once we run the program, here what we want to see, demonstrate to you, is if this different each button will be functioning. So let's just uh, um, enter each number if it is displaying here on the text area. 7 8 9 4 5 6 1 2 3 0, and then this dot. That's it. Each of it is functioning, and if we want to back we will be one will be deleted, and then if we want to clear, let's clear it. So let's try naman the operation, the division, multiplication, subtraction, addition operation. So 7 divide 2 equals 3.5 times 4 equals 14, and then minus 2 equals 12, and then plus 2 equals 14. So that, as simple as that. Each of these of each all buttons are clearly functioning. So let's clear once again. Let's 4 plus 5 equals 9, and then 9 times 5 equals 45. 45 minus 5 equals 40. 40 divide 20 equals 2 times 9 equals 18. Divide 5 equals 3.6. Back times 5 equals 15. That's all. I think that's it for this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you learn something on this. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you po, and have a good day every day. And thank you for teaching us every step of the way until we reach this final season of our um, um, semester. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you. Stay safe. Thank you po.